Hello guys, this is Super Lego Matt 240 with an exciting announcement to tell you all. So for tomorrow, I'm going to...
What's that noise? Excuse me for just a moment. Huh? What the? Hello? Oh my god! Oh, the tank just shot my doorbell. What? Oh.
Bob the Builder! Can we fix it? Bob the Builder! Yes, we can!
God. I don't know what that sound is. I better go look. Hello? Anyone home? Hello? Oh my god. Oh, why?
Hey everyone, it's your Almighty Loaf here, back again with another review, and this time I'm going to be doing my first ever 2020 review.
Wait. What's that? Hello? Anyone there? Hello? What? Oh! Oh! The tank just shot my doorbell. Oh, why?
Just chilling, having a nice workout. Oh yeah. What's that? I need to put this weight down and go take a look. Hello? Anyone there? Hello? Wait, what? Ah! What? What? The tank just shot the doorbell? Oh! Oh, Lord.
Jackson, just relax. Take a deep breath.
Jackson, excuse me for just a minute. I hear something. I'll be right back. Hello? Anyone home? What's that sound? Oh, Jackson! The tank just shot my doorbell like that. Oh, what was that? Who was responsible for it?